Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today, I will show you how to add overlay in CapCut PC. So first, you just have to open or launch your CapCut. Now import videos and then drag here or drag down the very first video that you want to appear as a background. You can adjust the ratio to 16 by 9. Next is you have to drag the second video right here, and to overlay that, all you have to do is to put this video on the top of the first video that would serve as your background. And as you can see, we can see the background, right? What you're going to do is to go to this point right here and kindly resize or go to scale and decrease the size of the second video. So it will appear like this. Okay, so as you can see here, if you tap this one, then you will see the first video as your background and the second video on the top. Now, if the second video emphasizes the face of a human and you want to delete the background and remain the face of the person or the human, what you're going to do is to tap the second video right here, go to cut out, and then look for the option or feature auto cutout. Okay, and then tap it one and it will remove the background and emphasize or figure out the human face. But since our video is not like that, what you're going to do to resize is go to mask, go to rectangle, or it depends on the shape that you want to appear right here, and just focus on the person or the subject of the video. And this is the result. Okay, so once you play this one, you can see the first video as your background and the second video on the top. And that's how simple it is to add overlay in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.